Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by dibesh. We have discussed about inverse of matrix and how to find inverse of matrix. You can check them through I button. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important result and unique solution of system of linear equation. So let's start. First, some important result, that is determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant A whole inverse. A into B whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. For M cross N matrices A and B, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. These two are very similar. Here you have to multiply with A with B, then inverse it, which is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Similarly, multiplied A with B, then find transpose, which is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A transpose is non-singular if and only if A is non-singular. Then A transpose whole inverse is equal to A inverse whole transpose. Next, fifth one, adjoint A transpose is equal to, then we have to find first A transpose, then adjoint it, which is equal to adjoint A whole transpose. Then you have to find first adjoint A, then transpose it. Next, unique solution of system of linear equation by matrix method. Suppose that a system of linear equations are a11x, a12y, a13z is equal to b1, a21x, a22y plus a23z is equal to b2, a31x, a32y, a33z is equal to b3. If we take a is equal to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, 33, the coefficient of x, y, z. These are coefficient of x, these are coefficient of y, these are coefficient of z, and x is equal to x, y, z, and b is equal to b1, b2, b3. Then system of linear equation can be written as ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. If you multiply a with x, you will find this is equal to b. So if a is non-singular, then A inverse exists clearly. Now we know Ax is equal to B. Multiply A inverse both sides. A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. We know A inverse into A is equal to identity into X is equal to A inverse B. If you multiply any matrix with identity, you will get same result, that is I into x, x is equal to A inverse B. So let's understand by some example. Using matrix method, solve x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. So let's check. First, x minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. So we can write a is equal to 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 5. Write the coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x is written in column, coefficient of y written in column. Okay, second column. Next, x is equal to xy, and b is equal to our result, that is 4 minus 7. We know ax is equal to b, so clearly x is equal to, better write the final answer, that is A inverse b. So to find x, we have to find first A inverse, then multiply it with b. So for A inverse, that is, we know adjoint A upon determinant A. For first we have to find determinant A, that is determinant A is equal to 1 into 5, 5 minus 3 minus minus plus 2, that is 2 3s are 6, that is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So inverse exists. So first adjoint A, that is adjoint A of 2 cross 2, we know reverse the principal diagonal and reverse the sign of secondary diagonal. 5 2 3 1, correct? Yes. Next, find A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon mod A, that is mod A is minus 1, adjoint A upon minus 1. Minus 1 means all the signs are changes. So A inverse clearly minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Done. Next, we know X is equal to A inverse B. Means we have to multiply A inverse with B. That is minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1 with B. B is clearly 4 minus 7. If you check, this is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 1. So clearly column of first, row of second are same. So multiplication is possible. So multiply it, this with this, minus 5 into 4, minus 5 into 4 minus 20, plus minus 2 into minus 7, that is plus 14. Next, this with this, minus 3 into 4 minus 12, plus minus 1 into minus 7, that is plus 7. So solve it. Minus 20 plus 14, that is minus 6, minus 12 plus 7, that is minus 5. So clearly X is equal to minus 6 minus 5, or you can write X as XY. By equating, we'll get X is equal to minus 6 and Y is equal to minus 5. In this way, we can find the value of X and Y. This is our final answer. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment or any doubt, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.